This is the ultimate test of stability. While others compromise on angles, the Gusrom GSM-5D masters the challenge. With our advanced B-axis, we achieve precise 90-degree vertical milling, handling even the most complex undercuts with ease. Speed meets industrial precision. Powered by a premium ball screw and full servo drive system, the 60,000 RPM high-frequency spindle delivers efficient, vibration-free cutting. Reliability is not an option, it's a standard. Our high-performance integrated casting ensures zero deformation, empowering your lab with a true 24/7 digital workflow. Intelligent, efficient. The 5-axis linkage system, combined with automatic tool life control, guarantees that every block is utilized to its maximum potential. Look closer. The truth is in the details. Before sintering, you can already see the micron-level sharpness of the margins. No chipping, no compromise. Automatic calibration ensures consistency. From the milling chamber to the final smile, the fit is perfect. Gusrom GSM-5D. Precision you can trust. Contact us today.